Model, 2014 Vauxhall Vivaro Sport 29002.0 CDTI, 115 PS, long wheelbase, street RF EU5 needs injectors. Body, silver, panel van. Mileage, 143628. Engine, 1995 CCM9R, 115 bhp, Euro 5, B. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs perfect. Needs multiple injectors replacing. This still starts and drives perfectly, no fault codes, no misfiring, just the injectors are leaking from corrosion around the top gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. Pulls in every gear. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean, genuine honest work van. Features, 4 former keepers, electric windows, 2